no ebesa kwotena radio so etwa ntwa to Bawumia so no Bawumia nya ka che say wo Ghana gas won di nkrofo ma nya promise wo mo say wo be mo adwuma bra wo ma wo mo Bawumia nya ka che say wo Ghana gas no wo Owusu Bempah wo pese wo di wo bi ni wo mpeni a wo tin bi yi na di Bawumia nya kai Bawumia nya ka che say wo ne ma enwo ba wo nhwe wo mo wo ntɔ aduane mo mu ni mebo a Bawumia nya ka che say ma Afia girl mmerɛw na wudi ni wi awa ma ni fake check
abusi afencha bia na Owusu Bempah we de enya Reverend Owusu Bempah o Owusu Bempah o MPP amanyoko mu ayeta abo ne mrane sa abo apapo ede nsem bi ekotu dwa ede fa yewura Bawumia ho ese se Bawumia anwi ni nyina no se ne ye bi ana se omafo no empe na asem no nam so nti no manto aba amfa ma no nam so amene de Afia Schwar abetutu bi e de amane ne ye pa enya asem keto e de wo se so Owusu Bempah ennim na so kasetia eye Bawumia bi man sama wodo de abetu dwade e be chen ne awo abeken obusuya yenko ne yenko tiensema wodo bi Afia Schwar abetutu e de amane eye Owusu Bempah abo apapo a wo MPP amanyokum ne ba ya to so e de amamu.
Horrible things about womanizers is they are fucking liars. Bema bia wo pema bia nso so nka no kore bema ne ho ye ne de bema bi wo pema ne yinu bebiri onka no kore. So I'm not surprised that Kofi Owusu Bempah abo papo o de ne ho akobo Kennedy Japan because they both liars. Owusu Bempah da wo be say bi wanu akasa ti Bawumia bi no unua ne me you have me to deal with uje da wanu ebesa kwotena radio so etwa ntwa to Bawumia so no Bawumia nya ka che say wo Ghana gas won di nkrofo ma nya promise wo mo say wo be mo adwuma bra wo ma wo mo Bawumia nya ka che say wo Ghana gas no wo Owusu Bempah wo pese wo di wo bi ni wo mpeni a wo tin bi yi na di Bawumia nya kai Bawumia nya ka che say wo ne ma enwo ba wo nhwe wo mo wo ntɔ aduane mo mu ni mebo a Bawumia nya ka che say ma Afia girl mmerɛw na wudi ni wi awa ma ni fake check Bawumia ne ka asa ne cho wudi agimi Bawumia di biem network Bawumia di biem why wo say wo ka no kore baby a bimbia usi ho. If you want to follow Kennedy, however you contributed to our loss. Wo Sankwala 50 na di wo mo Ghana gas wa you stop 50 family from voting. Shut the fuck up. What them catch on now when him chia sa ba ko fofu kwan no kopa duro no nkwase ade wo ba na woni asemasi wo no na me ko stress ka e koma girl no 20 what me dey na go school wo jimi no be Bawumia din biem na send this for no omo be hwem na 24-hour economy no mo promise Ghana for no my no omo tiro na bie wa no anyen ubie wa no anyen ubie no omo kwache den Reverend Fodo na obi ka asem ne china enka airbag na your friend Sam George no kwate so obi ka asem ene china enka airbag no Sam George nko ne nam ho enko ne nam ho mo barem na mo bara Ghana for kania no mo nya jimi no de mo ya ne chese konkonte no mo aye narcotic drug control for NDC narcotic drug control for and am control drugs moye de mo ya ne chese moye the NTDA mo koche member of parliament like a tyrant ene fuso de ze monya aduma monya jimi no ma Ghana for 24-hour electricity mubahu ye koche no obi ka asem ye koche na ko kuje tabla kwa wane na mo enkwaya ne sesa paso wane na mo muni chasiri mudi amunje
odafo ebia na ne nsema hodro bia odikotu dwa wa bra na wo ye interview no ebia no wanya bi enti yenkɔ ne yenkɔti nsema hodro bia Owusu Bempah eya abo papo to dread for ira Bawumia who and nam so many dear Afia Schwar gabe to be at the manano. Ye quaco seeing in some who do be the two jano. My main tap send and for a mouse so I'm none. That's how send this scared Yabagana from woman's bank account and as a ZP. Qua upstand as a place to knock down the tap taps if it's a promo coda. No about party veda shoni a chobonus at a kawayan so shut off for yenti and some other be a boa papo added to drain a dear Afia Schwar gabe to be at the manano.
Around on a normal change. Look at the perception and the political atmosphere and the whole, there are so many things that is going on in this country. Ghanaians are getting, the youth for this country, they're losing interest in politics. The MPP party for the first time in a taxi driver, okay, Mr. Bempah, for the first time I'm to Obama NDC, MPP. Or you need card the reason is that Yaya can find the right candidate that you want to come and vote for. And these are evidence on the ground. God is my witness. It's a new joke. Say you better you can someone actually you go so you do about 3 times and you do about 4 times and it's for way and way. That is not the thing that we are saying. We are listening to the ordinary Ghanaian people. What they are saying. Maybe they have no opinion. My core grounds so they are man foka. And I make a opinion. It's got nothing to do with Professor Marco Committee.
No, but make you are jumping the gun.
You're politicians. You're a political party. What you say? Mimpe we na store mun nyoma dos.
Right.
Me na be ne busa be no tia se ko busa nana. And what busa me na me dia to ho say the future of MPP depend on these 2 gentlemen. And has made it emphatic. And now busa said, I'm say me call ground so taxi driver no be who Owusu Bempah oni say MPP ni Owusu Bempah. No ba Owusu Bempah mo amfa so me si ama ye to aba. And what busa me the reason why na make show the reason why it's got nothing to do with Professor Marco Committee. This is everywhere. People, I was in New York. I was almost heckled by Ghanaian community in New York. Say you two move for to go tell radio so cancer mun fa sume simra Kennedy Japan bra. And it's not a joke that I'm sitting here talking about something. I'm talking about what I am hearing. And God is my witness. I'm not going
so you agree that
talking about anything.
So you admit
yes
and agree. Said 2024 no. You presented the wrong candidate.
I don't know.
No, you presented the whole thing.
I don't know.
From what you are saying,
I'm saying
taxi driver day, community someone New York day.
I'm not here.
So you present the wrong candidate in 2024.
I'm not here to condemn any.
I'm not here to I'm not condemn anybody.
Candidate.
I'm making inferences on what you are saying.
Tell you what the ordinary Ghanaian are saying.
The people prefer Japan over Bawumia.
Why? Put your camera on the streets of Accra. Put your camera.
So you presented the wrong candidate.
Put your camera.
So clearly you presented the wrong candidate for this.
Put your camera.
It's one candidate I'm going to call 2024
on the streets of Accra. Put your camera there. You are a grassroots person. Who will be a wood pack away free person. Go down there with the hidden camera and ask the ordinary people why they refuse to vote. 2.1 million people decided not to go and vote. 2.1. You think it's a joke? But MPP party base party supporters and Uncle Tuaba. Do you know what that means? Do you know what that means?
What does it mean?
That's why I don't want to put the card before the horse.
What does it mean?
Let Professor Michael Quick committee in the assembly. But
that's the point I'm making to you. There's no change. No, bad. Then you can make your argument based on the report. All of facts.
The argument. Listen.
All of facts.
The argument has got nothing to do with what I'm saying here. It's got nothing to do with it, unless you want to play mischief. But I know the minister, you're a journalist, you want your answers. But what I'm trying to tell you now is that we're starting about Facebook.
Of course, make Facebook.
Yes. And I've told you.
And I'm asking you, are jumping the gun.
I'm not a coward. I will just say it and say it again. This is what me sometimes with Timifia, wouldn't need a day. Ever can some today. Almost titi party in Bebre one who access to this year. I'm on for a bank every day. Me, I'm a free person. Who say me every day I am all over the place. And I hear things and I see things. And this is what the ordinary people are telling us. Etinya me na mebe tran baby. Akase we anase. No krene da wono. E na obusa am se me dia betu me Facebook wall. E na obusa me. E na me ka kire wo say.
So you want MPP to change their candidate in 2028?
That's what the ordinary Ghanaian.
That's what you want.
That's what the ordinary. That is what Ghana for can. Ghana need a leader who I've been working around great leaders in this country. No, I see a leader when I see one. Me personally, Owusu Bempah. Nobody can take my views for granted. Minim dia maker. the leader who has the sterling connection with the ordinary people. Me say opa ne kwa grounds. Core grounds is here. Na kubusa the ordinary Ghanaian on the ground say MPP 1 year more than about moving your 2. Ooh, you Kumasi boy. But go and find out from the people in Swami magazine. Go there, go to Swami magazine. Go to KJTia. Go to the ordinary taxi driver and listen to them. Papa ono dia mo de ba on the papa we there on the discipline. Papa we there ono dia no or a no nonsense person. Papa we there o de ba ono dia no kra no be ka no kra. Ghanaian people are yearning for the truth. Somebody who will tell the truth to the ordinary Ghanaian, who oxes the interest of Dr. Bawumia not to contest the elections. He was on Paul Adomochi's program 3 months ago. What has changed? Or can you say it will be in his own interest? Some contest the election because the Ghanaian people, you need to be a very polar, a bit changing Bawumia, any other candidate, the vote appreciate. Yes, go and check his first report. Paul Adomochi's program. Go and check the archives. Go and check the archives.
But this is the latest one.
The same Musa Dankwa.
But this is the latest one.
I am telling you that the ordinary.
Just this month, yeah.
Listen, Musa Dankwa, I believe is credible report.
Right.
What I'm saying is, what has changed? The same report that Odeba wanting. What you say? The same ordinary political science lecturer, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, on Square report will say MPP need to change their candidate if they want to win an election.
I think I'm talking about the James.
Yes, go and find out. Me person and then who buy and who food input ya. Remember all the stats. And na yen so a your ground so a yetie. Me also be to abey metie the Ghana for ka. Metie the Ghana for the ordinary Ghanaian say. And history will never be kind to MPP if we don't. But then no me person may go there. But this is what the ordinary people. No, his point is that he made mistake, but that does not mitigate the fact say 80% or 90% or 70%. This is
70%.
No,
should be blamed on Akufo.
I totally disagree with it.
70%.
Anybody who say
should be blamed on Akufo. They were lost in 2024.
The same person's legacy is what we are going to use for 2020 and 2028 elections. What are you talking about? Akufo-Addo's achievement is what a political party is going to use. At the Domama 2016, when Owusu election abysmal in this country and confirmed to Tuanko Burkina Faso, they were able to rebrand this and brought him.
So why don't you rebrand Bawumia? Why don't you rebrand Dr. Bawumia and make the people appreciate him?
There are a lot of things that is coming under it that you don't know. But because
rebrand Bawumia, make people appreciate him.
They say, and no now ordinary Ghanaians say, why are they telling us that?
Akufo-Addo was rejected in 2016. More rebranded, no. It's more rebranded Bawumia.
Listen, that is a question that you are saying. You see a critical question. But I be one who po enye I just saw on sa any see peg asana yi. Oti asade bia do obi fie enye yi no odi koyi obi fie se ho. Bebu na mebu. Onyansafo na tu onyansafo ase. Until the ordinary people, what they are telling us is not what you want to hear the day. Because NDC, Ebi Omofo said Mahama is the only candidate. But the MPP people believe that they need a new candidate that will resonate to the ordinary people. That the ordinary people want that person to be.
Other for ne somehow the Afia Schwar get better to Edibani Abua Papo and I think soon and then somehow the two dry and Afia Schwar get better to be a man and no one some and you could see most of us have our comment at was so shall not cut so send your being space bank every day be meeting the abna or some of my crime you better share a PM.
Mr. Mankwa, me office was a niska banier dear any project no. As to the be a me office kamania what problem.
And I'm Na monte tap sending ka.
No so ne dey.
Tap send dey easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee bia.
Sir, I obey any say.
Chine say won ko App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download dia. Ebebu sanso promo code. O ma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esansa tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers wanti or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about anything.
So your customer who you kesisia. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet woso. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika ko gu wallet no. Anase mpo betimi atususu nkakra enti abere sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu watimi use sika e wo wallet no tie
and you said to say you use momo Ghana heiru
sa pepe se si tap send atre na shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria. Tap send na.
Papa no.